Hello guys, how are you? Do your windscreen wipers do this noise? If so, the problem may not be the wipers themselves, but yes, the arm that is attached to the wiper itself. In this video, I'll try to show you my way of tuning the arm so I don't have this noise anymore. What happens with age is the arm itself becomes crooked because the wiper blade, as it comes down, it actually bends the arm itself. It becomes a little bit crooked on the windscreen, and then the wiper itself, as it goes up on the windscreen, let me just trigger here my auto system. As it comes up, the wiper repels on top of the windscreen, as you can see. Now, what we have to do is very simple. It's just to twist a little bit the arm itself so it does not do this anymore. Okay, you can switch out your blades and the problem disappears for about 1 week, 15 days, a month, and then appears again. The problem is not the wipers, but yes, the arm itself. The wipers being new, the rubber is much more pliable and the noise may disappear. But at the end of some time, if it appears again and again, try to see if the arm itself is not crooked. Make sure to turn off the wipers so you don't have any surprises. And now with this wrench, I find this wrench the less aggressive to the arm. So you want to adjust it, okay? And now twist it a little bit. I know it looks a bit awkward, but it's just the way it is. Now it is a lot, I think, but let's try it like this. And now on this one, the same thing. Okay, so now as you can see, perfect, but be careful. If you do it too much, it can do the noise the other way around. So it was making noise on the way up, and on the way down it won't. But if I twist too much the arm, it may become to make noise on the way down. But no, in fact it is absolutely perfect. Now I can drive with absolute silent. By the way, these are new and original Alfa Romeo specific wiper arms. They are still available. I will leave you the part number down on the description. There are a lot of part numbers of these wiper blades that are no longer available, but these ones still are available. So guys, I really hope you can consider share this with your friends. Hit that like button and consider subscribe. I'll see you next time guys. Bye!